Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's Fireman Crypto here, and in today's video we're going to be looking at the top 5 categories in crypto that are the most lucrative to invest in. So we're going to explore a few of them and some of the underlying tokens, and without any further ado, let's jump right in. So the first and most important category is obviously the layer 1 blockchains. So these are the foundational blockchains that support various decentralized applications, so dApps and the smart contracts. So projects like Ethereum, Solana, Avalanche, and Cardano are notable examples. So these platforms are essential for the overall ecosystem and often see significant investments due to their foundational role in the infrastructure of blockchain technology. So the layer 1 projects are highly lucrative due to the high adoption rate, the fact that they're fundamental to the ecosystem and they have continuous innovation. So since these are the underlying projects that support other smart contract based dApps or projects, they tend to spend a lot of time doing ongoing improvements and development. And as such, it's investing in projects like this, you can be guaranteed that they'll be here for the long haul. So next up, we've got decentralized finance or DeFi. So this category is all about creating traditional financial systems in a decentralized manner. So imagine lending, borrowing, trading without any intermediaries. So platforms like Aave, Uniswap, and Maker are at the forefront here. So DeFi platforms offer very high yield farming and staking rewards. So this kind of makes them extremely attractive for investors looking for high returns. So the innovation and adoption rate in this space are simply phenomenal. So the third categories are non-fungible tokens, so NFTs, and METAVERSE. So NFTs represent ownership of unique digital assets and are used in a variety of sectors, including art, gaming, real estate, within virtual environments. So the metaverse extends this by creating immersive virtual worlds. Projects in this category includes Decentraland, which is Mana, M-A-N-A, the Sandbox, which is S-A-N-D, Sand, and Axie Infinity, which is AXS. So these projects are particularly lucrative due to the high demand for digital ownership, cultural impact, and speculative investment opportunities. The fourth categories are the layer 2 solutions. So these are projects that sit directly on top of the layer 1 solutions. So the layer 2 solutions are built on top of existing blockchains to enhance scalability and efficiency. So the layer 1s are notoriously known for their high fees and low processing or transaction processing time, especially during peak activity periods. So these are crucial for addressing issues like high transaction fees and slow processing times on popular layer 1 blockchains. So layer 2s emerged due to the need for cheaper transactions and increased speed for processing. So projects in these categories include Polygon, which is MATIC, Matic, Optimism, which is OP, Arbitrum, which is ARB, based by the Coinbase DEX exchange rather, and ZK Sync, etc. Just to name a few out there. The need for cheaper transactions and faster processing times have really created the market for these layer 1 solutions. So the fifth and final category is the interoperability solutions. So these are projects that focus on enabling different blockchains to communicate and interact with each other. So this is vital for the growth and integration of the fragmented blockchain ecosystems. So we have a bunch of projects, different blockchains that are kind of isolated from each other, built in silos. There's no communication between these chains. So the idea behind interoperability solutions is to kind of introduce a layer of communication between multiple blockchains that are already sitting in isolation. So projects in this category include Polkadot, which is DOT, Cosmos, which is ATOM, Chainlink, which is LINK, just to name a few. And the projects in these categories are highly lucrative due to the essential for ecosystem connectivity and increasing importance as more blockchains emerge. So these categories represent a broad spectrum of the cryptocurrency market, each with its unique opportunities and risks. So by understanding the underlying technology and the market dynamics, investors can make more informed decisions. So I'll leave you with a couple of investment considerations, so particularly on research, risk management, and regulatory environment. So in terms of research, I want to say you guys have to always conduct thorough research and due diligence before investing. So understand the technology, the team behind the project, and its potential use cases. In terms of risk management as well, we need to diversify investments to spread risks. So cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile, and it's important to kind of manage your exposure. And when it comes to regulatory environment, you need to stay informed about regulatory developments as they can significantly impact the market. So you need to always be well informed. Alright, that's it guys. Thanks for making it to the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new and not subscribed to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification so you're notified when I put out new videos. Also leave a comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts about the video, what are considerations you have, what suggestions you have, and also let me know whatever tokens and other categories that you're looking at and probably want me to explore in the future, and I'll be sure to address them all. Thanks again, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.